basically, when updating a LinkedIn profile to make it look professional, first, this is the home view. To update your profile, you're going to go home to your picture. You click on your picture and you go to view profile. Once you go there, you'll be able to update your entire profile. Using these pens all over your profile, you will be able to update the related sections. First, you have to choose a banner that reflects what you do. So if you're into data analytics, simply go to Google, LinkedIn banner for Google Analytics, for data analytics, or your major. You save it and you plug it in here. For your profile picture, you choose a white background picture or a plain background, no selfies, no pictures in parties, no cropped pictures where you had someone else with you in the picture and you just cut them. Um, you can just place your phone somewhere on a placeholder, take a delayed capture, be professionally dressed on a plain background, and there you go. You can also remove the background using remove.bg on your Google browser, and you can remove the background of the picture and then upload it here. To obtain this marking as in hiring or open to work, same as other candidates can have. I'm just trying to find someone to show you how it will show. Anyway, we're gonna go through it. First, I want you to make sure that your name is your full name because this is how it will show to recruiters. Second, when you go to this section, you're going to edit it and you're going to put the title of how you want to be searchable by recruiters. So when a recruiter goes for headhunting on LinkedIn, they're going to put the title they're looking for, and therefore this is how you're going to look for them on the browser. How do you want to look? How do you want them to find you? This is the title you're going to use. And then, if you're still working at this company, you show this as your current employer and it will show in the intro. And then, if you want to show your education, it's the same. It will show. If you have a website, so let's say if you have a portfolio, you're an interior designer, you're a graphic designer, you're a business trainer or coach, and you have a website and you want to share. So this is how you show it to the world. And then once you do the updates, you save. All the updates you make will show in this section. So make sure this section is properly updated. Then under here, your followers and your connection, make sure that there is an open to button that is blue. In my case, there's no way it will show because I'm open to work, open to providing services, and open to hiring. But in your case, if you have no selections, once you click on this one, you will have the three options. Then once you choose the right option, it will pop up a window whereby you can make the changes, which you can later on edit because it will show here underneath the blue button initially you used. So to update them, you click on the pen. I encourage you to add all the titles that you're looking for and you want jobs in. And then you can choose the location types, the locations on site, and the locations remotely. And then, if you're actively looking for a job, you choose immediately actively. Or if you're flexible, you like your job, but you're just looking for better opportunities, you can put flexible. Then you put the setups, so the type of contract you want, and then this is very important and be careful. If you want only to show to recruiters, you select this one. So if I am not a recruiter, let's say I'm your boss, I'm your colleague, I'm your friend, I will not be able to see that you're open to work. But if you want everyone to know that you're actively looking for a job, you have to select this one, and therefore you will show to everyone on LinkedIn that you're looking for a job. So if you're secretly looking for a job, for a better opportunity to change work, don't select this one, stay on the recruiters only. So follow me in another video to show you also how you can adjust other sections, how you can improve your LinkedIn profile, and how you can activate your notifications and alerts.